Lord Krishna Naman, all of you, my all dear student. Now I am studying about nutrition in animals. So first, we get the knowledge about the physiology and anatomy of animals in senior classes. Animal nutrition include nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, its utilization in the body, nutrient requirement. It is the process of eating, taking nourishment. These are some of the source of nutrition. Food include all the eatable that can be utilized by the body for nourishment. Mode of intake of food. First, autotrophic. We will already discuss about autotrophic. Second, heterotrophic. Parasitic, saprophytic. All animals, including humans, need certain nutrients to stay alive and grow. These nutrients are obtained from food. The food you eat feeding is not a form that can instantly provide you with nutrients. First, it has to broken down into smaller particle. These particle must then change into the simple soluble form which the body cells can absorb. Only then can food provide nutrients. The various process involving in nutrition in animal that take in solid form as follow. First, digestion. Digestion is the taking in the food. It involves taking in the food through the mouth and eating it. It is the process of intake of food. In this process, the food is acquired from the environment. The food acquired is made available to the body for digestion through the vocal cavity, mouth. Digestion. The process of breakdown of complex food component into smaller substance is called digestion. Example, if we eat protein, then protein change in amino acid. Protein build up of with the help of 20 type of amino acid. Digestion is the breakdown of food into a simple soluble form with the help of digestive juice made in the body. Digestive juice means bile juice. Okay. The process of digestion in order. First, digestion begin in the mouth and getting food. It is physical breakdown. This process is complete in mouth. Then sugar is formed from starch. Sugar is carbohydrate. In the food by the action of salivary amylase. Salivary amylase is enzyme present in saliva. The food then passes through the esophagus, that means alimentary canal. Why the peristaltic movement in esophagus? The food then reach the stomach where the protein are digested by the action of diluted hydrochloric acid. Protein digest in stomach. Digestion in the small intestine. Small intestine is the site of complete digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fats. In previous slide, we know that protein in digest in stomach. Liver. The largest gland of human body. My all dear student, we discuss about glandular system. Mostly are two type, exocrine and endocrine. Exocrine to secrete juice outside, endocrine inside. Inside means directly in blood. The bile juice from the gallbladder act on the food coming from the stomach to the converts it is acidic nature into basic along with breaking fat globules present in the food. Liver consists with the Kupffer cell. Lower side of liver is present gallbladder, the storage of bile juice. This is the largest gland of human body. Other gland is pancreas. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice, insulin, glucagon. Then the pancreatic enzyme in the pancreatic juice act on the food. These enzymes including trypsin and lipase. Pancreas made of beta islet cell. Pancreas secrete insulin. Next, the enzyme in the intestinal juice secrete by the intestinal convert protein into amino acid. 20 type of amino acid create protein. Complex carbohydrate into glucose and fat into fatty acid and glycerol. The digestive food now present in the small intestine is absorbed by bile. Bile present in intestine. This is the zigzag structure. Folding structure. Circular fold in wall on vowel pellicase circular. Villi small finger-like projection. Finger-like projection can increase the surface of digestion. Mucosa inner lining containing glands and secrete muscles. Submucosa layer of tissue below mucous membrane, layer of muscles. Dear student, the finger-like projections made up of villi, blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, intestinal gland, some mucosa. Assimilation. Assimilation is the process by which absorbed nutrients are utilized by the body. The process of supplying all the absorbed material to the different part of body for various maintenance activity of cell. The villi are richly supplied with blood vessels which take the absorbed food to each every cell of the body. Because every cell requires food where it is utilized for obtaining energy, building new tissue and repair of old tissue. Dear student, this is the internal sections of intestine. You can see mucosa, submucosa and finger-like projection, villi, large circular fold, the large structure, blood capillary, epithelial cell, lacteal, lymph vessels. If we studying about, then you can see the microvilli, breast border, epithelial cell, food intake by the epithelial cell, the structural and functional unit of life. The unabsorbed food is sent into the large intestine, where more villi absorb water from this material. The main function of large intestine is absorption of water. Egestion. Egestion is the process of elimination of undigested solid parts of the food. Egestion is the process of elimination of undigested solid parts of the food. The rest of the material is removed from the body via anus. This is process egestion. Review of digestive system.